We are always trying to reach to the unreached, but for the service provision. But for the service providers, hardly there are opportunities. Or those who are working for those people to whom the services are you people are delivering, you are reaching to those people where nobody has reached. People they don't want to reach there. There you are reaching. So this organization is doing a great job by reaching to such unreached people who are working for the poor, vulnerable, tribal peoples, interior, remote areas. So first of all, my great thanks to all those people, particularly our dearest Dr. Gayatri Saranji, under whose leadership this was initiated and under whose memory this is still being continued, and his wife is still giving blessings to this organization. It in itself says a lot story about the organization and the people behind it. Now, this MS Signature Award, there are so many members you have heard here, right from the executive to the jury, and also those people who are silently working here, be it Himanshu ji, Dr. Poonam ji, then Samira ji, Somna ji, and so many other people who are working dedicatedly for this organization. And I have personally seen their work, their dedications, to the people, to the downtrodden people. And particularly I must say a few words about the MCH wing, that is the MGIFS. This is the first, center of excellence, MCH center in the country. And whenever I go there, I feel to be here than to go to any temple. Because the services that is being delivered to the tribal people, to the poor people, without any self and with a good quality care is really, amazing. And I don't think any part of the country such type of dedication is going on. So all these people who are attached with this organization for this MS Signature Award, they themselves are the icons. Now, when it comes to selecting the people, it's a very difficult job. Whenever the people work in the remote area, and whenever you people go in the areas where many problems are there might not be electricity, there might not be water, there might not be the connections of the internet, communication is a problem, mosquitoes are rampant, and so on and so forth. But when you go there, you do not think of these problems. You are self-motivated people, and you have gone there to do something, and to do something which gives satisfaction to you. That is the most important. You never, thought that I am doing this to get an award. You did something to get your own satisfaction. And these people are the real icons of the country. When you start your life without any self, when you give the luxury out of your bounds, and when you adopt such people, adopting these people where the government also is not reaching properly, that is a great sacrifice of your life, and that is a great learning.